Hello friends, welcome to your channel Noid. Today I will show you how to download a Google Translate voice in MP3. First, open any browser in your system. Here I am opening Opera. Then type Google Translate. In search you will find translate.google.co.in. Just click on that link. Just keep it English to English translation, and here you type text which you want to download as a MP3. Here I will write hello, please subscribe this channel for more videos. Then click on this icon to listen.
Hello, please subscribe this channel for more videos.
Then right click on this page and go to inspect element, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This interface you will see. Then click on network. Again press this icon to listen the voice.
Hello, please subscribe this channel for more videos.
Here you can see many type of files, but you need to go to media file. Here just click on that, right click, open in new tab.
Hello, please subscribe this channel for more videos.
From this menu you can download your voice. I hope you like this information. Thank you.